The way work has changed is ripping apart everything we thought we knew about jobs, teams, and economies. If it feels like chaos, it's because it is. You're battling non-stop with people scattered across the planet, struggling to keep your team aligned, productive, and loyal. You see promising talent slip away because they want freedom you can't give in the cubicle. The old rules are crumbling. Time zones feel like prison bars. Managing performance remotely feels like guessing in the dark. And some days you just want to scream because all this virtual work sounds great until deadlines start slipping and trust evaporates. But here's the brutal truth. The world has changed, and if you don't wake up, adapt, and lead the new era, your projects, your company, your future will die a slow death. Stop pretending remote work is temporary. Stop clinging to outdated ways of managing people like leashes and clock punches. This is a full-on revolution forcing you to rethink who holds power in the workplace and how work really gets done. The global workforce isn't just remote. It's borderless, fluid, and way smarter than your old models can handle. So the first command is this: stop micromanaging and start unleashing autonomy. Give your teams clear goals and then vanish from their sight. Let them flex where, when, and how they deliver results. Control kills innovation, trust cultivates it. Those who obsess over control will watch their best talent bleed out to competitors who get this now. Next, tear down your national mindset because the future is global. If your hiring still follows outdated borders, you're blind to talent that wants you to find them. The richest, rarest resources live in unexpected places. Underutilized talent pools in Asia, Africa, Eastern Europe that you've ignored because it's easier to hire close to home. Stop. Build a strategic pipeline with ruthless intentionality. Dive into those markets with localized culture knowledge but global expectations. Don't just add diversity, treat global teams as your secret weapon, not a checkbox. Then, stop seeing culture as some fluffy HR concept. Culture is your glue or your poison, especially when everyone's virtual. You must rebuild it from the inside out with shared purpose, transparent communication, and brutal honesty about limitations. Create rituals that bridge borders, weekly synchronous moments that remind everyone why they matter and how they're part of something bigger. If your team feels isolated, they'll check out emotionally, productivity will tank, and you'll be left with shells of bodies on Zoom calls. Here's the secret weapon. Invest heavily in tech that does more than just video chat. Use data-driven tools that track real work outcomes and enable collaboration without suffocating privacy. Use AI to predict burnout, spot disconnects before they turn toxic, and personalize feedback with surgical precision. But technology alone won't save you. It magnifies your leadership. So step up, show vulnerability, listen harder, create space for innovation. The old boss who barked orders is dead. The new leader builds ecosystems of creative freedom and accountability. Feel that fire inside you? That rage at the system that promised freedom but delivered control? Use that. Channel that frustration into dismantling every outdated rule in your company. Demand that your teams are not just cogs but creators. Passionate, empowered, relentless creators. Because virtual work is not a curse. It's the knock on the door to the future, and only those bold enough to open that door will survive. This is the new global workforce, reshaped by virtual work. Not fragmented, but connected across every time zone, every culture, every skill set. But connection doesn't happen by chance. You must architect it. Link your people, your markets, your mission with precision and dedication nobody else can match. The prize? A team that moves faster, innovates deeper, and outperforms everyone stuck in the past. This is your call to arms. Dominate this new work reality by ripping apart your old beliefs, rebuilding your culture, mastering global talent flows, and becoming an autonomy evangelist. There's no middle ground. You lead this revolution or you become obsolete. No excuses, no retreats. This is how empires fall or rise. Choose now.